Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows from marshmallow root. First, select fresh marshmallow root, ensuring it is clean. Wash the root thoroughly to remove any dirt, then chop it into small 1-inch pieces. Place these pieces into a bowl and cover them with cold water. Allow the root to soak for at least 8 hours, or preferably overnight, to extract its beneficial properties. This initial step is crucial for the marshmallow's unique texture. After soaking, carefully strain the liquid from the marshmallow root pieces. This thick, somewhat slimy liquid is the mucilage, which is vital for achieving the characteristic fluffy texture of homemade marshmallows. Use a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to ensure all root particles are removed, leaving you with a clear, viscous extract. This pure mucilage will be the foundation of your delicious treats. Next, prepare your sugar syrup. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves, then bring it to a boil. Continue cooking until the syrup reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. Meanwhile, whip the mucilage until it's foamy, then slowly pour in the hot syrup while continuing to whip until stiff peaks form. Once the marshmallow mixture is light and fluffy, quickly pour it into a prepared 9 by 13-inch pan that has been lightly greased and dusted with a mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch. Smooth the top evenly with an offset spatula. Let the marshmallows set undisturbed at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, until firm. Finally, dust the top with more powdered sugar and cornstarch, then cut into desired shapes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.